Automation in the industrial workplace provides the advantages of improving productivity and quality, while reducing errors and waste, increasing safety, and adding flexibility to the manufacturing process. Industrial automation yields increased safety, reliability, and profitability. So, let's start with the project Automatic PCB Drilling Machine. In this video, we are going to talk about the complete project of this machine. Here we go through why Automatic PCB Drilling Machine, then objective of the project, and finally its implementation and hardware modeling. Also, we will see the features and applications of the project. The PCB is very important part for any electronic device or system. Making such PCB includes process of drilling the PCB for mounting components. Drilling needs the accuracy. Drilling manually may lead to countless mistakes. And also it requires more time. If the production of industry is in large scale, then manual drilling may degrade the productivity. And of course, careless drilling may cause accidents. In many large-scale industries, the CNC machines are used for such automation. But small businesses cannot afford such machines. So first objective is to develop a low-cost machine which can work more effectively. As earlier we said, accuracy is important in drilling on PCB, and that's why to maintain accuracy is objective of project. Further, we are adding a path planning system which may reduce the time. Well, the PCB layout include many drill points, which are not at the same distance from each other. To extract the coordinate data, we are using the Eagle software, which gives this data. Here is the Eagle software, where we are going to show how to obtain the coordinate data. The screen is showing the schematic of the PCB layout. When we switch to board layout, it will look like. Here in the right corner there is option of manufacturing. We can download the CSV file of the data and open it using Microsoft Excel. And finally, this is the X coordinate and Y coordinate data obtained. Let's know the logic behind the automatic drilling. The data of X and Y coordinate is actually the distance between two drill points. Here we can calculate the time required to reach to the drill point. Time equals distance by speed. We are using this formula to extract the distance between two drill points. The motor will rotate in either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction as per the magnitude of distance. We are using the Arduino Uno board as a controller. The Arduino Uno is an open-source microcontroller board based on the Microchip Atmega 328P microcontroller and developed by Arduino. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input-output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. The L293D is a 16-pin IC, with 8 pins on each side, dedicated to the controlling of a motor. There are 2 input pins, 2 output pins and 1 enable pin for each motor. L293D consists of 2 H-bridge. We are using a single relay to control the drill of 12 volt. 30 RPM 12 volt center shaft DC geared motor is used for X-axis and Y-axis movement. The drill motor with the PCB drilling bit is used. Also a switch is used for on and off purpose. We are using the LCD display to show the various instructions. This is the Google Sketch, one of the amazing software to design the modules. You are watching the actual design of the machine. Our automatic PCB drilling machine has a size of dimensions approximately 50 by 50 centimeters. At the front side we put the LCD display to show the instructions. The X-axis and Y-axis are manufactured according to the measurements. We used wooden plank to made axis. The Z-axis is arranged vertically on the Y-axis, where drill motor with a servo motor is fixed to drill at point. In this picture, you can see all different parts of the machine which are labeled accordingly.